How's all my real people doing out there? This is realtvw back again with another video. You guys remember that I bought my wife the Yoga, and personally all I had was a Chromebook, and because I've been struggling with the right machine for me. I had a custom desktop, I had that XPS 13 I gave to her, I had a 15-inch gaming Asus, and that gaming Asus really made me feel like Asus was a great brand because everything worked on it. It stayed cool for a gaming laptop. It played well. It ran at 4+ gigahertz. It didn't get over 80 degrees centigrade. It was a beautiful gaming machine, but it was huge, 15 inches, way too big. I wasn't happy taking it anywhere. So I thought about it, and I was thinking, do I want this or do I want a Surface Book 313? And I don't know, I really wish I got a Surface Book 313. In the perfect world, I'd have both, but this right here, I thought was better when you add in the cost and value, okay? So here we go. This is the Asus ROG, which is the Republic of Gamers Zephyrus. This is the model, the G14. Just came in today. It comes in a black and white version. They're going with this black and white theme. The box looks pretty cool. That Yoga box is kind of plain, nothing going on. As far as the box itself, you have some scan codes, you have some details on what the machine's about, you got a nice little grab handle, a sticker to block your way, a plain black side. What is this? The usual stuff, right? But let's go ahead and crack it open because my wife thinks that you guys want to see an unboxing video. I was like, nobody cares about unboxing videos because I'm not Lou from Unbox Therapy. He's got, like, you know, the excitement and he's got the equipment. All I got's my little table. But we're going to unbox this bad boy. Now, I know all the cool YouTubers are always having some kind of unboxed knife. I could have got a knife from the kitchen, but I'm lazy. What I have is a key. There we go. Look at this. Just like a knife, much more easy and convenient. I think that's the mailbox key. There's just one piece of tape holding us back. Let's flip this guy around. You guys know how these new boxes work. When you pop them open, usually something slides up, and that is the same. Wow. Okay. This is a legit first reaction. I am blown away at how sexy this is. This is so clean. These dots are crazy. It is not showing up on camera. I'm a huge fan again of Asus and ROG. I feel like I'm ROG for life. Republic of Gamers. I love the branding. I love the presentation. This is nice. Wow. I'm just going to pull it out. This weighs a little over 3.5 pounds, and it feels dense. I mean, this feels heavy. This is a brick. This is not a toy. I am loving it. Let's set it to the side, because that's what we do with these videos, okay? What do I have in here? I got the power brick. It's a chunky brick. This is technically a gaming laptop. I don't think it's a gaming laptop personally. I think it's more of a creator's laptop, because the size is going to limit its ability to do certain things. It's going to limit its ability to make as much power as you'd like. And it only has a RTX 2060 Max Q, which is a low-powered version of their highest level cards. I didn't buy this for gaming. I really am trying not to game anymore. I'm really interested in creating my own content, mostly writing. There's nothing back here. This is just to help it lift up. Over here we have the rest of the power cord. So we have this, wow, this is really... We have this silky smooth, beautiful little extended plug here. The power brick itself. The cable on this feels like silk. On this, it just feels like a piece of plastic. I'm going to do unsexy peel. This is my first time peeling on camera, so I'm sorry. It's big, but not too big. I can take this with me. I'm thinking about getting a 65-watt USB Type-C charger because that is the max size, the max power you can use to charge this bad boy. I wish it could take up to 100 watts, which is the most power that USB-C can currently put out, but it can only do up to 65. In here we have the usual. Let's go through this. Most people just throw this away. Leave a review, get a reward. I will definitely do that. I love leaving reviews. You have your register your product. I'll definitely do that. Safety precautions. The G Series gaming notebook PC. Just a little quick guide. What's really cool, and you see it right here, is that the power button itself has a fingerprint sensor, and it has a cache built into the actual button. You push the button, before the computer turns on, it stores your fingerprint so it can log you in. And then you have your Asus standard warranty information. See, Asus is a cool brand. They're Taiwanese, and they make really great laptops. They make ZenBooks that are more ultra thin and light, portable laptops. They make your ROGs, which are gaming laptops. So Asus's brand is in search of incredible. But then their sub-brand, which is Republic of Gamers, right? Republic of Gamers. All right, let's take a cut here, and let's get back in a second. And we're back. Listen, everybody, all my real people out there, this is Real TVW telling you, don't throw your box away. Every laptop I've ever had, I've either given away or sold. And people love getting as much original stuff as they can. Giving somebody the item with a box, they're like, wow, that's great. When I sold my personal computer that I had custom built, I had all the boxes for every piece shown on my Facebook Marketplace post. And he said, you know, when I saw those boxes, I said, this is a guy who cares about his stuff. He's going to be selling me something legit. So keep your boxes. I keep every piece of paper. That way the next person that gets this, probably in 2 or 3 years, is going to say, cool, I got everything. Here's the machine itself. Again, I'm blown away. This is sexy, and it's so white and clean, and the silver is a nice kind of flat looking silver. Really exciting here. And now, how do you get this apart? It's different with every single machine. They got a lot of glue holding this down. It's not the usual just rip it off kind of cellophane. But if you get all the glue and the sticky out the way, you can lift that away. And here we are. Me and you, we're together. This is our first look. Okay, right now, I'm feeling these feet. They feel sticky. They feel like they're not going to give. Like my wife's yoga, too much give. What do we have here? We got the 2 bottom-facing speakers. We got some intake. We got some intake. I'm never sure. I'm not an engineer, but I always feel like, should I take a Dremel and should I Dremel out some of these holes to get more airflow? I'm assuming that Asus knows what they're doing. Like I said, I already had an ROG machine, and it was great. And it didn't have cooling issues, but I just wonder. This is really nice because the machine just has your standard Phillips head screwdrivers. I can take this apart if we need to. Got your Windows sticker, which I will immediately rip off and throw away. I hate stickers on my machine. Okay, let's see. On the front, the usual nothing. On the side, what do we got? Kensington lock, some more airflow, couple of standard USBs, a USB-C. Got your vents in the back, got that little Zephyrus branding, which you're not going to see. I'm sorry, I don't have the greatest setup. Got your power in, you got your HDMI. This is also a power in USB-C. Again, I want to get the 65-watt charger for on the go. Wish it took 90 because you could do so much more as far as use it to its full potential while you're using it. So here it is, these really cool little holes. So you can buy a version of this that has a light-up LED matrix. There's LEDs back here where you can do things. I thought that was cool, but not my thing. I wasn't gonna waste my time with that. When you're using it, I heard it takes up to 10 watts of power. That's a lot of power. Get that out the way. But it looks nice. I mean, this is just an interesting premium look and design. And of course, let's bring it around, see what's on the inside. Now, what you can't see is that when I push the screen up, it's lifting it up, of course. That's an Asus trick where they lift up the machine to get more airflow. Get this out the way. And here we are on the inside. Trackpad is a piece of glass. Looks good. I don't understand people's infatuation with giant trackpads. I mean, your 2-finger scrolling about 1 inch or 2. This is plenty. Got your top speakers. We got our Ryzen sticker, our NVIDIA sticker. We got the fat Asus space bar that I really love. Keyboard feels really good. Better than that yoga. maybe as good as my Google Pixel book. We'll find out. Okay, I don't want to get into this too much. This is just like an unboxing and first look. We'll do a whole review as usual. And I say as usual, this is my second video, but as usual, we'll do a whole review maybe in a day or two after I get used to it. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Remember, there's no such thing as a waste of time, only a waste of understanding. This is RealTVW signing out.